It's that time of week again. It's Wednesday night, and this is one of my favorite shows. But hey, you didn't tune in to see that. You tuned in to see something else. Well, here's the room reveal. I'm going to start with the ceiling light off so I can showcase the sconce lights. I am in love with these wall sconce lights, you guys. I made these, but more about that a little later. I'm going to give you just a little bit of the room when the lights are dim, and it's so pretty. But I'm going to take you a few weeks back. This is what the room looked like originally. I love the colors and everything, but it needed something new, of course. And here's the new view. And this is the wall that the bed used to be on. Here's the ceiling fan. Oh my goodness, everything just looks so much brighter, and I'm so pleased with the look. So I painted the furniture gray, as you can see, and I love that deep gray color, and it's called Gray Tabby. Here's the closet doors over here. They turned out great. They were a metal finish, but my husband sprayed them somewhat of a satiny matte finish, and they look beautiful. He did a great job. Coming back over to the entryway, this is where the dresser used to sit, and the bed used to be on the far wall. But anyway, the dresser was right here, and it was a cherry wood. The furniture was like a cherry wood color, very pretty, so pretty. I had so much on this dresser. I had to scale down on everything because I didn't want it to look so cluttered and so crowded. And this is one thing my husband really regretted. We had to give away this rocking chair. And that rocking chair we had since Jalen was a baby. We actually bought it to rock her in. But we had to get rid of it. Over here, we have the big old TV. You saw Chris and Isaiah wheeling that down the stairs. But yeah, this is the view of the bed, the longer view. I am in love with this bed. It is beautiful. It's a gray velvet, and it's just gorgeous. Let me show you what the sconces really look like. Let's turn the lights out, and this is what they came out like. I put some designs on the bottom of them, some little circle designs, and they came out so pretty. And the ceiling fan came out great. I spray painted that, and yeah, love that. I'll make sure to link that video at the end of this video. So there's just a glance. But we're going to get into everything that I purchased, and I'll give you some prices if I can think of everything, and kind of show you some things up close. We'll get started with these sconces that I made. They came out great. I'm so pleased with these. They were about between $8 to $10, I'd say, a piece to make. And these two mirrors by the bed, I got them for about $19.99 from Big Lots. And on my nightstand, I have a little breath mint dish. Married folks, you know about that, morning time. And I also have this chrome clock. It's so cute, from Amazon. It was about $13.50. Double ring bell, I love that. And the silver box over there, those are for ink pens to keep them out of view. That was $1. And then my little tissue box, I repurposed that from last time. It used to be gold, painted it silver. And you see my planner there, and then my MacBook's on the other side. And yeah, that's my nightstand. Also, I repurposed this mirror. It used to be in the bathroom. I spray painted it silver, put some black and natural touches on it. And this is my vanity from my mother, from my mom's house. The actual table used to be in her back room, and it was the telephone table in the back room. It was wood. I painted it gray. And this is her vanity chair. She had this like since the early 1960s, and I spray painted it silver, and then I covered it with this pretty faux fur. And my sister's, I wasn't born when she got it originally, but she brought it down here when we moved down here. And my sister said that the original one, she had white fur on too. So I was overjoyed. I feel like Mom was with me. Anyway, I made this little pretty Mrs. Fancy picture in the frame. I just printed that off of the computer and put it in the frame. I love that. And here's my condensed nail polish area and lipsticks and things. I'm trying to scale down. And then over here, I have my little OPI collection and a few other nail polishes over here. And does that look familiar to anybody, that tray? Yeah, Dollar Tree. $1. Yes, it is so cute. It doesn't even look low end, but it is. I spray painted the underside chrome as well, and it looks good. I love it. And then I made this little floral bouquet out of flowers from Dollar Tree. The little holder, I got it from Goodwill, and it was like $3, I think. The lamp I got from Burlington's, $19.99. This clothes hamper was about $23.99, and then, oh my goodness, these little 3 baskets here, they were $40 from Amazon. That's to hide some junk in. And then, yes, this is our family picture. A lot of you all know our oldest out of the 4 children. She passed away, the one on the left end there, Mickey. And she was 26 on this picture. She was about 34 when she passed away. But that's all the 4 children. And then this is, I just thought this book of Genesis is not the Bible book, it's another book. I got that from the Dollar Tree and just took the cover off. And I just thought that was so cute. And the little ball there, I think I got that from Burlington's or Ross's. And those candlesticks I spray painted. This TV was $135, you all. My husband always finds some deals. He got it from like a home store, discount home store, and it plays great. It's a Samsung, it's brand new. And these curtains I got from Burlington's. They were, I think, $14.99 or $19.99 for the 2 panels. Let me turn the light on and show y'all this lamp better. And it's so cute, it's gray. I love that end of my dresser. And these are the tie backs that I purchased from Amazon. For 4 of them, they were $15.99. And they just, tie the curtains back. And I have them on each side, of course. They are silver with crystal balls. This is the other window. And the liners, the window liner, the shears, they're actually grayish silver, and they're so pretty, but you can't see them that good. And this here, I got this for storage to hide things in, and also to sit on, like when you want to put on your socks or your stockings or whatever. And it holds up to 300 pounds, so you can sit on it. I got 2 of those for, I think it was $35. That garbage can I repurposed from the last bedroom. It was gold. I spray painted it silver. And this, this black little caddy thing. My husband did not want me to paint it at first. I said, honey, it won't match the new room. So he finally said yes. And I painted it black. I spray painted it black. It came out amazing. And this love sign, I bought it from Goodwill for about $4, I think. And, let me show you this box first. I got this for my husband's receipts. He has receipts everywhere. So I got that for him to put his receipts in. That was $1 from Dollar Tree. Back to this love sign. I just spray painted it black. It was already black. I just spray painted over it. And I put some embellishments on it. And I'll show you in another video how I did that. Put those crystals on there. So pretty. And this is the door going into the bathroom. Also, I repurposed this magazine holder. Remember, it was the magazine holder from the last room? I spray painted it silver, and it looks so pretty. We're just going to put papers and folders or whatever in there. I have a place for everything this time. So I'm excited about that. And back to the double doors again that my husband painted. They came out really nice. And that was in Blossom White, I believe, from Rust-Oleum Paints. He spray painted those closet doors. I love the ceiling. I didn't like it in the last bedroom, but with this bedroom, it goes really good. The pattern in the ceiling, I love that. And this is just my favorite focal point of the room. I purchased these frames from HomeGoods for $7.99 each, and they're so pretty in chrome. The words I got from Dollar Tree. Yes, on those little word packets in the craft section. And I just pulled them off and put them on 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper and framed them. There were so many things that I got from Amazon, but a lot of things I got from stores around here in the city. That beautiful rug, that was from Burlington's. It was just $24.99 and it is just gorgeous. I love it. It is so soft. It's white faux fur, like a creamy white faux fur. And over here to this bed, you all. I am in love with this bed. I got it from Value City Furniture. And look at that, the tufted bed. It has the tufted footboard too. Engraved velvet. It's that velvet where you run your hands across it and it brushes one way and then brushes back another. And I was so excited to find this bed, you all. You know that commercial where the lady, it's Christmas time and the lady's like, she gets back in the car with her husband. She's like, let's go. Like she stole something. I thought I had stole something. A whole bed. And this is not cheap. This is thick. It's not just a piece of cardboard put up there, but it is thick. It is plush. And I love this bed. $199 from Value City Furniture. This beautiful faux mink throw was $35.95 on Amazon. It is luxuriously soft, you all. I love this. It's beautiful. And the king size spread came from Amazon too. It was $46.99. Even though I have a queen bed, they said if you want to be able to tuck it under, make sure you get a king size. So that's what I did. And I just fold over my shams that came with it. Those pretty white shams, I just fold them over in the back and they fit perfectly to my queen pillows. These Taupe pillows I purchased from Old Time Pottery. They were $9.99 each. I bought those to pull in the color from the carpet. And then the pillow in the middle I got from Burlington's. It was $12.99. Beautiful faux fur, so soft. And the pillow in the middle, I made that from the leftover material from the Sconces. It's so cute. I just cut the material, stuffed it with some stuffing, and tied the ends, and it looks like a little Tootsie Roll. And this is my husband's side table, his nightstand. So he tries to keep it minimal on that side. And yeah. Oh, I wanted to show you all one more thing. At nighttime, this is what the headboard looks like. You can see it at nighttime. You can't see it with all the pillows in the day. That's the only thing I didn't care for, is that you can't see the tufted headboard for the pillows. But this is the look at night. I just put the throw at the end of the bed. I put the pillows on the hamper, and then the other ones on the little footstool, little sitting stool over there, and we're good to go. And that's it, guys. Come back tomorrow for a how-to video on how to make the sconces. And then next week I'll have the bathroom reveal ready. Y'all be blessed. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love you guys.